Welcome to my channel, students. Today's topic is first shifting theorem. The statement is if L of f of t equals phi of s, then L of e power minus at f of t equals phi of s plus a. Here it is like f of t is your function. When you apply Laplace to a function, if it is another function like f of s, then L of e power minus at, that is if another function, that is exponential term, has been multiplied with your function, and when you take Laplace to that, it should be phi of s plus a. See the power of e, if it is in the negative, here you have to apply positive. So wherever you are having s, it should be raised with a. If you are having a positive a here, then phi of s minus a will be your answer. Now let us go into a problem. I have taken the question as find the Laplace transform of the function using first shifting theorem. It is e to the power minus 3t cos 4t cos t. To start with the problem, we have to know the following formulas. It is 2 sin a cos b equals sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Finally, 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So depending on the given problem, you have to choose from this formulas. Now we will go into the solution. See, from the 4 formulas, I have to pick the second one. It is 2 cos a cos b equals cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So here I need only cos a cos b. This 2, which is the constant, I don't need. So I'm just taking to the other side. It is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b over 2. So let us apply in the given question. The question is cos 4t cos t. So my a is 4t, my b is t. Wherever you are having a and b, just apply there. So it is, I'm taking this half outside. So cos 4t plus t is 5t plus cos 4t minus t is 3t. That's it. So now I need to apply Laplace because my question is to find Laplace transform. So Laplace of cos 4t cos t. First you have to apply Laplace for this function and then we can raise it to the e to the power. Now L, there is half is constant. I'm just taking outside of the Laplace. So L of cos 5t plus cos 3t. Here you can just take the Laplace inside the bracket. It is L of cos 5t plus L of cos 3t. So here what happens? Half is there. What is L of cos 5t? So you know the formula for cos. So when you are having cos of cos at, what is the formula? Yes, that is Laplace of cos at. Formula is s by s square plus a square. So just apply this here. So my a is 5. So the value is s by s square by 5 square. 5 square is 25. And here again my a is 3. So s by s square plus 3 square. 3 square is 9. And here my half is common to both. So now I'm just using the shifting theorem. I can shift this e to the power negative 3t inside the bracket of the previous answer. So it is cos 4t cos t equals, see this half will be there as it is. Now wherever I'm having s, from the given statement. I thought the previous, that is when I starting the video, I have taught you wherever I am having this S, I have to raise this S. See, this E is having the negative, the power of E, the coefficient of T is -3. So just you have to raise S plus 3. Wherever you are having S, just substitute there S plus 3. So now the numerator is having S, so S plus 3 over S plus 3 the whole square plus 25. See, in the place of S, the denominator, I am just writing S plus 3. The whole square will be as it is. Now plus, again here the numerator is having S. So S plus 3 should be there over S plus 3 the whole square plus 9. And this is my final answer. From the previous video, we saw the question as find the Laplace transform of the function defined by f of t equals d for 0 less than t less than 1, 0 for t greater than 1. The answer is minus e to the power minus s over s minus e to the power minus s over s square plus 1 over s square. Today's question is find the Laplace transform of the function using first shifting theorem, e to the power 2t cos 3t sin t. The answer will be posted in the next video. Thank you, students.